Django is a high-level, open-source web framework written in Python, designed to facilitate the creation of secure, scalable, and maintainable web applications. It was initially developed by the Django Software Foundation in 2005, with a primary focus on promoting the rapid development of complex web projects by providing a clean and pragmatic design. One of Django's core principles is the "don't repeat yourself" (DRY) philosophy, which aims to reduce redundancy in code by encouraging reusability of components. This is reflected in its built-in features like an ORM, object relational mapping, system, automatic admin interface, form handling, URL routing, and templates. Django also follows the Model View Template (MVT) architectural pattern. The model represents the data structure, view handles the business logic and user interaction, and template is responsible for rendering the HTML on the web pages. Another key feature of Django is its emphasis on security. It comes with built-in protections against common vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting, XSS, cross-site request forgery, CSRF, SQL injection, and clickjacking. Additionally, Django encourages the use of secure practices like password hashing and secure sessions. Django's scalability makes it suitable for both small projects and large-scale applications. Many well-known sites like Instagram, Pinterest, and Mozilla have used Django to power their web infrastructure. Its comprehensive documentation, large developer community, and an extensive ecosystem of packages make it a strong choice for developers of all skill levels. Django is ideal for those looking to build web applications quickly while maintaining flexibility and control. Its batteries-included approach, which comes with numerous tools out of the box, reduces the need for third-party libraries and allows developers to focus on building features rather than solving repetitive tasks.